한국에서 온 비보이 홍텐이라고 하고요.
Sono Cico, rappresento l'Italia.
유현, 비보이 본이고.
My name is Omar, coming out of Austin, Texas.
Junior, I'm from France.
B-Boy Machine from the legendary Rock Force crew of
코리아 비보이 Physicx라고 합니다.
This is Moy from Havoc Coral, representing Houston, Texas, and I'm 21 years old.
Salut, je viens de France, je m'appelle Brahim.
Salut, je m'appelle Lilou, 21 ans, je viens de France.
Ik is van Zuid-Afrika en ik is een B-boy.
My name is Ronnie from Full Force Super Crew, Las Vegas, Nevada.
Joe, I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia.
Pelezinho, Bboy Brasil.
Ich bin der Rubberlegz aus Deutschland, 18 Jahre alt, von Bboy Crew.
My name is Sonic from Natural Effects, Denmark.
Welcome to the Red Bull BC1.
The real battle is you by yourself against another person by yourself.
I want to welcome everybody to the Red Bull BC1 2005 Battle of the Year. Y'all ready to party? Berlin, make some noise! Yeah! Make some noise! Give it up for DJ Ace and DJ Billy And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you and yours the judges for the evening. Asia from the No Easy Props crew. My man Ducky from the Project Soul out of Korea. My man David Kohler, #1 B-Boy in France. My man putting it down from LA, my man Paul. Last but not least, Germany, stand on your feet. Give it up for the legendary Storm.
Super sound of the 70s.
Original B-Girl from Rocksteady Crew. Straight out of Korea, Ducky.
Super sound of the 70s continue.
Ducky. Holding it down, straight out of LA, B.O.E. Paul! and gentlemen, the legend, the myth, Storm! Germany, stand to your feet for the legend. That's the legend. The legend. The man who resurrected B-Boy in Europe. Since 1991, he has been a legend. Woo! And now, hailing from the land of France, give it up for David Kosto! Gentlemen, give it up for your judges. Y'all ready for the battle? Y'all ready for the battle? Well, let's get it on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the competition started. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to introduce to you and yours, coming out of the USA, representing the Harakivo crew, Bboy. Also, coming out of Korea, ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Hong Tae. Okay, this is how we gonna do it, fellas. You know the rules. You got 3 minutes apiece. You got 3 minutes for the whole round. When you have 20 seconds, I'm gonna say last dance. So it's up to you to take out your competitor. But your judges will meet your faith. Touch hands, shake hands. Let's get it on! circle. You know your fate lies in the hands of those who came before you. So, we're gonna go with judge number 1. Hang Ten. Judge number 2. Hang Ten. Judge number 3. Hang Ten. Judge number 4. Hang Ten. Judge number 5. Unanimous decision. Hang Ten. We on round 2. Coming out of Sacramento, California. He's been b-boying since the age of 9 years old. From the US of A, Marcy. Coming out of the land of France, a master in footwork. Give it up for Brahim. Shake hands, touch hands, do what you do, stare at each other. Let's get it on!
Don't spend your time buying shoes. We get a life to make them used. It's up to you if you can dance. Come on toys, take that fence. Sweep the floor, make it clean. Use that polish and that cream. I wanna slide on my back. Let me spin it on that track. On that track. Sweep the floor, make. Use that polish on that. Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Sweep the floor, make. I wanna use that polish on that. Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Don't spend your time buying shoes. We get a life to make them used. It's up to you if you can dance. Come on toys, take that fence. Sweep the floor, make it clean. Use that polish and that cream. I wanna slide on my back. Let me spin it on that track. On that track. Sweep the floor, make. Use that polish on that. Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Sweep the floor, make. Use that polish on that. Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Your time buying shoes. We get a life to make them used. It's up to you if you can dance. Come on toys, take that fence. Sweep the floor, make it clean. Use that polish and that cream. I wanna slide on my back. Let me spin it on that track. On that track. Sweep the floor.
You have 30 seconds. This is your last chance.
Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Sweep the floor, make. I wanna use that polish on that. Let me spin it. I wanna slide back. Don't spend your time buying shoes. We get a life to make them used. It's up to you.
Show your love.
Come on, toys, take that fence. Sweep the floor, make it clean.
So we're gonna take this to the judge. Judge number 1, Machine. Judge number 2, Machine. Judge number 3, Machine. Number 4, we already got you. Number 5, hands down, Machine. Hailing out of Sacramento, California. Let's not waste no time. Ladies and gentlemen, coming straight out of Brazil, representing the Supersonic Bboys, Pelezinho. Also hailing from Italy, Cico. You got 3 minutes to eliminate one each other. Lock hands one more time. Y'all ready? Let's get it on.
Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Fuckers try to battle, but they get their heads
seconds. This is your last chance. This is your last chance. Okay. You know your fate lies in the hands of the judges. So this is how we're gonna do it. Judge number 1, Pelezinho. Judge number 2, Pelezinho. G3, Cico. Number 4, Cico. This is the tiebreaker right here, y'all. Number 5, Pelezinho. Let's get ready to rumble. All the way from Denmark. If you was at the Red Bull BC1 2004 Battle of the Year, he stunned the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my man, Sonic. You should be proud of this 18-year-old, one of the youngest B-boys to come out of Germany. Ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Rubberlegz. Show your love, ladies and gentlemen. Touch hands. Let's get it on. This is your last chance. So we're going to go to the judges. Judge number one, Sonic. Judge number two, Sonic. Judge number three, Sonic. Last but not least, Dougie, Sonic. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Sonic. I don't have to introduce this man if you are a B-boy. Ladies and gentlemen, from the USA, give it up for Ronnie, masterful choreographer. Ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Bboy. So y'all ready? Touch hands. And let's get it on. But your fate is in the hands of the judges. Judge number 1. Born. Judge number 2. Ronnie. Judge number 3. Ronnie. Judge number 4. Ronnie. Judge number 5. Ronnie. Unanimous decision. Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is, out of the USA, Ronnie. Battle that's about to go down. It's about to knock you out of your seat. This man is a magician on the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, Junior! Hailing from the land of Russia. Show some love for Jora! Y'all can touch hands, stare at each other. Let's get it on! have 30 seconds. This is your last chance. This is your last chance. Judge number 1. Junior. Judge number 2. Junior. Judge number 3. Junior. Judge number 4. Judge number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce, hailing out of France, 21-year-old featherweight, light on his feet, quick to the beat, Lilou. Also competing with him, this man needs no mystery behind his name. From Korea, Physicx. Okay, gentlemen, let's come to the winner circle. Touch hands. Stare at each other. Let's get it on.
Get stop, let you know. Fuck it, whip. 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 Get stop, let you know. Fuck it, whip.
This is your last chance. Contestants back to their mutual side. That was hot. Cheers. But you know, your fate is in the hands of the judges right now. So let's take it to the judges. Judge number 1, Lilou. Judge number 2, Physicx. Judge number 3, Lilou. Judge number 4, Lilou. And last but not least, judge number 5, Physicx. And the winner is Lilou. Y'all ready for another round? Hailing from the US of A, representing the Wild Turkeys. Last year, came in first place at the Red Bull BC1 2004 Battle of the Year. He has been quoted saying, "Practice makes you better, not perfect." Ladies and gentlemen, the king of the throne, Omar! 18-year-old has been #1 in South Africa for the years 2002-2003. And now he's here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Benny! Are y'all ready? Let's get it on! your last chance. So maybe God be with you. Judge number 1. Omar. Judge number 2. Omar. Judge number 3. Omar. Judge number 4. Omar. Last but not least, and the winner is unanimous, hands down, ladies and gentlemen, Omar. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way live from Japan, the masters of locking, Hilti and Bar.
They lost Fashion Bash your class.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for our last and fourth of the quarterfinals. Ronnie, Junior, this is the winner's circle. When you hear me say 30 seconds, that's your last chance. Let's get ready to rumble! Okay, fellas, let's come to this winner's circle. Word up. Y'all got me sweating. Judge number one. Who did you choose? Ronnie. Judge number two. Junior. Judge number three. Junior. Judge number four. Ronnie. And now we have the tiebreaker. Ducky. Judge number five. Ronnie. And the winner is Ronnie. Show some love for my man, Junior. The king of the throne is what they call him. Ladies and gentlemen, Omar, hailing from the land of France. Ladies and gentlemen, Lilou. Y'all can touch fists, stare at each other, smile at each other. Let's get it on.
Boys can boogie too. You can dance, you can shake it. You boys can boogie too. You can dance, you can shake it. You boys, you
But we all know that your fate is in the hands of the judges. Judge number one, Omar and Lilou. Judge number two, Lilou. Judge number three, Omar. Judge number four, Lilou. So we gonna have to break it like this. Ducky, Lilou. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Lilou. From Brazil, Pelezinho. Hailing out of Denmark with some of the fanciest foot moves on the planet. Sonny! Let's get it on!
Fuck my ass.
Judge number one, Sonny. Judge number two, Pelezinho. Judge number three, Pelezinho. This is gonna be a tight one, y'all. Judge number four, Pelezinho. Judge number five, Sonic and Pelezinho. And the winner is Pelezinho. Came in first place at the Hip Hop Olympics 2004. Show some love once again for Machine. Ladies and gentlemen, Home 10. Let's get it on. guys are sweating hard, man. But we're gonna have to go straight to the judges for this one. Hong Ten. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Hong Ten. I'm proud to present and bring to you and yours, boys and girls, give it up for Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself for the semifinals because this is it. And we about to bring back with some of the nastiest moves I've seen tonight. Hong Ten. Another move star. Pelezinho. You going home? You going home? Touch fists? Let's get it on.
Ready?
let the crowd gas you up because your fate belonged to the judges. So the judges. Judge number 1, Pelezinho. Judge number 2, Haunted. Judge number 3, Haunted. Judge number 4, Haunted. Last but not least, Ducky, judge number 5, Haunted. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your winner, Haunted. Put your hands together once again for Ronnie. You also know him well, Lilou. It's about to get thick up in here. Let's get it on. About to decide whose heart is about to stop right about now. Judge number 1, Lilou. Judge number 2, Lilou. Judge number 3, Lilou. Judge number 4. Lilou. Last but not least, Ducky. Lilou. And your winner, Lilou. Could I have some more volume, please? A little more volume, please. Feedback. Feedback. Clap. Come on. Clap. 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 Here we go. Keep it going there. Keep it going there. Keep it going there. Bass drop. Keep it going there. Keep it going there. Keep it going there. Remix. Bring the beat back. Come on, come on. Faster, 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 faster. Come on, faster, faster. Give yourself a wonderful round of applause. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, clap your hands, stomp your feet, clap your hands, stomp your feet, clap your hands, stomp your feet. If your mother only knew, if your mother only knew. If your mother only knew that you was trying to get with me, she'll probably throw you out of home. You'll probably be up on a park bench all alone. Ladies and gentlemen, the beat and the chorus. At the same time. The beat, the chorus, at the same time. If your mother pump, if your mother pump, if your mother pump, that you was trying to get maybe you got the clothes. Right up home, you probably be a if your mother pump, if your mother pump, if your mother pump, if your mother only knew. What's up? Take a shot. Third and fourth place right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Pelezinho. Show some more love for Ronnie. All I know, one of y'all is about to lean back tonight for real. Y'all ready? Then let's get it on.
step on.
Maximum.
It feels so good.
Maximum. Give it up for Ronnie and Pelezinho. We gotta take this to the judges. Pelezinho. Ronnie. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Ronnie. Show some love for my man Pelezinho. Cause this next battle is about to spark. Hailing from Korea. Hailing from France, the man with the ultimate moves, Lilou. Touch fist. Let's get ready to rumble. But we're gonna go to the judges. The judges, the judges, the judges, the judges, the judges. Lilou! The Red Bull BC1 2005 Battle of the Year. The champ is here!
World Champion Bboy 1-1. Ben, je vais mettre ma ceinture dans mon salon avec les trophées, Battle of the Year, tous les battles que j'ai gagnés, mes coupes de Kung Fu, champion, Red Bull BC1 2006. Je reviens avec la ceinture.
Yo, Red Bull BC1. You have 30 seconds. This is your last